AirCall.io. AirCall is the phone and communication platform designed for sales and support teams. AirCall's computer telephony integration, CTI, for Salesforce Lightning and Salesforce Classic empowers your support agents, sales reps, and entire team to streamline their workflows and increase productivity. Are you ready?
Locked and loaded.
Are you ready?
All right, Aircall, your 3 minutes begins now.
Perfect. Okay, so as she stated, AirCall, we're a modern cloud-based phone system focused for SB and GRB verticals. We focus on customer-facing teams being a business tool instead of just a siloed phone system. So in live action, this is our CTI, our telephony interface, directly inside of Salesforce. It can be minimized when a call comes in. Essentially, it's going to automatically pop up from its hiding spot. And here we'll also have a contact pop up directly inside of Salesforce. We're doing this because the phone number fields match up. And when I go ahead and answer this phone call, here's the interface inside of the dialer. So as an agent, I can take notes directly inside of the app. I can create tags that identify dispositions, outcomes, trends of the conversation, helpful for reporting, or also to trigger flows. I can select these, and these are all going to push directly inside of Salesforce. As you've seen, I have not left the Salesforce environment. When I hang up this phone call, all of these conversations are automatically be logged inside of activities if you're a sales individual, or we can also create cases for those support folks. And just to show you, here's what it looks like directly inside of Salesforce. Now on to outbound phone calls. So here, the phone number fields inside of Salesforce are clickable. I can go ahead and click on this, it automatically pushes back over into my dialer. This is how I initiate an outbound phone call, or we can also send a text message out to your clients. This conversation will also log back to Salesforce. This is more so for those one-off calls or one-off text messages, but what if your team has high-volume outbound conversations? We can also load up a list of phone numbers directly into our dialer, and when I go ahead and click play, it's going to automatically call this first phone contact. After this conversation, we'll automatically move the second one, automating the steps in between so agents aren't losing time between those conversations. Now, if you have a sales team who's more so living inside of a cadence, such as sales engagement, we can also work directly inside of this platform. We can change the outcome of the conversation to move the candidate to the next step, and also relate it to a different activity, opportunity, or case if you spoke to maybe someone else. With our 5-click integration directly inside of Salesforce, we'll automatically push all of our reports here, and of course we do have additional historical or also live activity reports directly inside of AirCall. Now,
Seconds.
okay, last thing here, I know this is the out-of-the-box Salesforce. I know you all love to come in here and make changes to your Salesforce environment. That's no problem. Actually, a recent conversation is working with our partner Redpoint Solutions, who's actually here, and then Salesforce rep Danny White. Instead of using contact records, they actually use candidate records. We figured out a Salesforce flow to essentially log our conversations to their candidate records, which they couldn't find another phone solution that was capable of that. So feel free to stop by our booth and ask us more questions, and thanks for your time.
And that's time.
All right.